Okay, so part two, number two. This is a really old question. This is from first semester of last year. So this is a parabola. Look, it's got an x squared in it. And it is in vertex form. So if I want the coordinates of the vertex, it's already in vertex form. So it's the opposite, because remember inside of parentheses is opposite land, so it's -10. So opposite and same. So there it is. There's my vertex. Super easy. All right, the graph of f has y-intercept at -20. Find a. So they're telling me a point on the graph. The y-intercept is when x is 0 and y is -20. So this is my x and this is my y, and I can plug those in here, and then I can solve for a. So y is -20. I don't know a. X is 0. And now I can simplify and solve for a. So 0 plus 10 is 10. 10 squared is 100. So I have 100 times a. We like to write it like that. Plus 15 equals -20. Okay? Then I can minus my 15, so I get -35 is equal to 100a. Divide both sides by 100, and I get a is equal to -0.35. Okay, because I divide both by 100. All right, and you could have left it as a fraction. If you did leave it as a fraction, you should have reduced it, or you could simply change it to a decimal. It's fine. Point 8, comma b lies on the graph of f. Find b. Okay, again, very simple problem. I now know what a is, so my equation is y equals -0.35 times x plus 10 squared plus 15. This is the equation of my parabola. I know the x value is 8. I got to find the y value. So y is going to be b, because this is xy, and -0.35 times 8 plus 10 squared plus 15. So I'm going to go ahead and just put that into my calculator, because we're allowed to use a calculator, so why not? So -0.35 times 18 squared plus 15. And that gets me that b is at -98.4. No need to use a squiggly, because I don't have to round it off. It is exactly -98.4. And there it is. That was number 2. Sweet.